Are you searching for the best high-powered blenders? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 high-powered blenders that I tested this year. Number 5. Blendtec Classic 575 Blender. Blendtec is a family-owned company in the US that makes very strong blenders loved by professional chefs. You might know it from the "Will it blend?" videos, where it blends things like golf balls and iPhones. This home model has a big 90-grain jug, enough to make 6 charmers at once. It's made of BPA-free plastic and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. The Blendtec Classic has 1,560 watts of power, making it the second most powerful blender on our list. Its motor can make hot soups just through friction. It has 5 speed settings and 4 pre-programmed cycles. Though it's expensive, it can handle almost anything. It's very fast and effective, but a bit noisy. If you make a lot of smoothies, soups, sauces, dips, or icy cocktails, this blender is a great choice. You could even blend electronics, though that's not recommended. I got this blender at a savings store, and even after many years of use, it still works great, says Katja Weiss-Anderson, a small uses expert for the Spruce Eats. As a professional chef, I used it every day for recipes, and it never let me down. Ability: 90 ounces. Control: 1,560 watts. Speed settings: 5. Sizes: 8 by 7 by 15 inches. What we like: large capacity. Very powerful. Durable. What we don't like: expensive. Noisy. Number 4. Oster Pro 1200 Blender with glass jar. This Oster blender is strong and good, and it doesn't cost much. It has a 1,200 watt motor that can blend tough things like kale. It comes with a strong glass pitcher that is dishwasher safe and doesn't break easily. Plus, it has a 24-ounce plastic cup that you can attach to the blade base to make a quick smoothie for one person. The problem is that it only has 3 speeds: low, medium, and high, and 3 specific programs: smoothie, milkshake, and salsa. But for the price, it's easy to replace. If you want a more useful model, you can get the Oster Pro 1200 with a food processor attachment for a bit more money. Capacity: 48 ounces. Power: 1,200 watts. Speed settings: 3. Dimensions: 7.3 by 8 by 14.3 inches. What we like: cheap. Strong glass jar. Extra portable cup. What we don't like: no tamper included. Limited speed and program choices. Not very durable. Number 3. NutriBullet Pro 900 Personal Blender. Personal blenders are smaller than full-size models, but this one isn't much weaker. When we tested personal blenders, the NutriBullet Pro 900 was the best. It crushed ice easily and performed better than others. We chose it as our top pick. It comes with 2 32-ounce cups, which are big enough for large smoothies. The cups also have separate handled and flip-top lids. The 900-watt motor is less powerful compared to others on our list, but it's strong for a personal blender. It easily blended berries, kale, frozen bananas, and peanut butter in under 60 seconds. It's very simple to use. Push the cup into the base, twist it to lock and start, and twist the other way to unlock and stop. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe, and the blade can be removed for easy hand washing. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is great if you make smoothies every day and want a quick, smooth breakfast. However, it only has 1 speed, so you can only make purees, not chunky textures. Also, its small size limits its use for bigger meals. We love that it's cheaper than other powerful blenders, smaller, and easier to clean. During testing, we also found it easy to store on the countertop because the base is tall and slim. Capacity: 32 ounces. Power: 900 watts. Speed settings: 1. Dimensions: 7.7 by 12 by 15.9 inches. What we like: small footprint. Multiple portable cups. Inexpensive. What we don't like: Only one speed. Number 2. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Vitamix's top model, the Ascent, is slightly more powerful than the Explorian but much smarter and quieter. The A3500 features 10 speeds, 5 onboard blending programs, and wireless connectivity. You can control it from your phone using the Perfect Blend app, which also lets you download new programs for specific recipes. During our tests, the A3500 excelled at making smoothies, peanut butter, whipped cream, cheesecake batter, potato pancakes, and mayonnaise. Impressively, it can also cook food. Its blade spins so fast that the friction heats the contents, bringing soup to steaming in about 10 minutes and making smooth chocolate pudding faster than on the stovetop. The Vitamix Ascent series has several useful accessories, including a food processor, a grain milling container, an aerating blade for whipping cream and making emulsified sauces, and small bowls and cups for taking smoothies or dips on the go. The machine automatically senses these attachments and adjusts its settings accordingly. However, the Ascent is very expensive, reflecting its luxury status. Note that older Vitamix attachments are not well matched with the Ascent series. Capacity: 64 ounces. Power: 1,440 watts. Speed settings: 10. Dimensions: 11 by 8 by 17 inches. What we like: super smooth blending. App-controlled smart programs. Can blend and cook. What we don't like: very expensive. Incompatible with older Vitamix accessories. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Vitamix is renowned for its high-performance blenders, favorite by many professional chefs for their power, design, and durability. While Vitamix blenders are expensive, their exceptional performance and durability justify the cost. The Explorian range is Vitamix's entry-level blender, offering high power at a more affordable price. It's still pricey, but it's hundreds less than the flagship Professional series. In our tests, the Explorian performed almost as well as other Vitamix models. With 1,400 watts of power, it handles smoothies, sauces, dips, hot soups, doughs, nut butters, and non-dairy milks effortlessly. We were particularly impressed by how easy it is to clean. Just add a drop of dish soap and hot water, then run it for a few seconds. This even worked after making sticky peanut butter. The control panel is simple, with 10 different speeds and a pulse function but no preset programs. The 48-ounce pitcher, made of heavy-duty, BPA-free plastic, is smaller than some other models, but is dishwasher-safe. Capacity: 48 ounces. Power: 1,400 watts. Speed settings: 10. Dimensions: 11 by 8 by 17 inches. What we like: powerful, dishwasher safe, more affordable for a Vitamix. What we don't like: small pitcher,